Hey, blockchain users. Today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin, obviously, but also about some news. So, one of my Discord users sent me an article about how the CEO of Telegram was going to provide more data to governments. Also, another tweet about tokens unlock. And I'm going to explain to you why these are not going to affect the market in the way you think. But before that, let's look into Bitcoin. As we expected, we are finding resistance at 65k. This was a level of pressure here, but also a very important top in the 2021 bull run. So what comes next? Well, it's very possible we just start to turn around a little bit, although we've already done some of that. And if we do see some turning or more bearish action, well, we have this old top that can act as a new bottom, and of course these little one here, and the kind of a worst case bullish scenario would be a retracement back to the 0.5 level around 58k. So that's all for the more bearish or sideways potential. Overall, I'm still very bullish. So let's look at what is above us now. Zooming out to the weekly chart, well, if we do see a breakout above 65k, then the next big layer of resistance will be 70k, which is a nice round psychological number, but also a top here and a top here. Now, the bad news is we probably won't see a big green dildo. Instead, we are probably going to be seeing a lot of sideways action around these price level because in the market, history tends to repeat. There was a lot of turning around in the past here. So yeah, that's probably what we have in store. In any case, eventually 70k will be reclaimed, and with that, when that happened, the next level would technically be 72k. But if we remember from a previous video, I said that I have my rule of 4. Basically, when a price level is tested for the 4th time, a breakout is very likely. We did not see it. So right now, the next thing would be the 5th attempt, which means a almost guaranteed bullish breakout is going to happen. Basically, when we test that price level, bull run will begin. So bad news for Telegram right now. And should we be worried or not? The answer for me is very simple, and it's no. Because if I use my trusty 0.5 fib level here, well, you can see that we are still in the strong half of the tool, and that's all I need. Technically speaking, we are in a strong position, so I don't really care about the news. Now, I'm not a conspiracy theory, but I'm pretty sure the news is manipulated to some degree because in trading I've done it for years now, and when there are tops, there are always good news, and when there are bottoms, there are always bad news. So, yeah, I'm pretty confident that there is some manipulation of the information in investing. So whatever you know that is public information, it's just useless to your trading. So don't put energy in that. Stick to the chart and just ignore the news. It's just noise for your trading. So one of my members pointed out how Sui is going to unlock 100 millions worth of token, which is a big number, right? Right? This is carry. But actually, let's look at the market cap. So Sui has a market cap of $4 billion, meaning that tokens unlocking worth $100 million is about 2% of the whole supply. So this is not a lot. It feels like it's a big number, but really it isn't. And if you look at the chart, SUI has a breakout. It's in a breakout because it's above the 0.5 fib level. And on top of that, volume has been increasing a lot lately. So it's a very bullish looking coin, which I've talked about on Discord to my members. Like most people, I like big numbers and I'm almost at 100 subscribers, so please help me inflate my ego by doing the thing with the YouTube buttons. In any case, I will see you next time.